Greetings from Bratislava, precisely from the warehouse hall that hosts Slovakia's pioneering automated Autostore. This warehouse serves as the representative hub for numerous premium brands across the Slovak, Czech, and Hungarian markets. At Loxone, we are delighted to contribute to such an exceptional project. Now, let's delve into the details.
Poďme si o tom povedať viac.
This hall has recently undergone an extensive renovation process. The lighting and air conditioning systems have been entirely revamped alongside the installation of a new photovoltaic system. To provide further insight into this project, we have Mr. Jančuška from The Light, the expert behind the wiring, who will share more details with us.
Hello and welcome to this facility where we have accomplished exceptional lighting control. As you can observe, we've integrated multiple types of lights which are all orchestrated by the Loxone system. These lights incorporate cutting-edge technology that minimises glare, ensuring optimal comfort for the employees working here. Our setup includes a range of sensors that capture various data points including employee movement, temperature, humidity and other variables. The Loxone system then processes this data to regulate the behaviour of these technologies here. Currently, we efficiently manage both the lighting itself and designated zones. Looking ahead, we have plans to expand this system's capabilities to include air conditioning, heat recovery and other customizable features based on the client's preferences. For those unfamiliar with our company, The Light, it specialises in tackling the most intricate projects, primarily centred around lighting and control. Our aim is to identify the best solutions on the market for our clients, hence why Loxone serves as our primary partner for management needs.
Najlepšie prepojenie, čo je na trhu, preto Loxone je náš hlavný partner, čo sa týka riadenia.
Intelligent automation extends comfort benefits not only to the owner, but also to the employees, liberating them from the need for manual lighting adjustments. The technology package also encompasses a user-friendly app that comes at no cost. Beyond individualized control, the owner gains the ability to track statistics related to temperature, humidity, CO2 levels, and overall energy management.
As evident from this demonstration, Loxone extends beyond residential projects, which encompasses family homes, apartments, and villas, where our goal is to enhance comfort for end users. Instead, it also embraces remarkable commercial endeavors like production facilities, warehouses, schools, restaurants, hotels, and certainly public lighting projects. In these contexts, energy efficiency and monitoring take precedence.
Ako je napríklad spoločnosť The Light, vytvárať takéto úžasné projekty.
Energy consumption stands as a notable component within a company's expenses. With Loxone, you can identify avenues to economize and streamline your energy usage. For comprehensive insights into smart energy management, explore our website at loxone.com. If you enjoyed the video, we encourage you to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for our next captivating project.